two long parallel wires separated by a distance d, and let they will carry the current I1 and I2 in the same direction. They will exert force F on each other. See here we are having two long parallel wires and they are separated by a distance d, and they are carrying current I1 and I2 which are flowing in the same direction. Then what is the magnitude of force per unit length between the two wires? Magnitude of force per unit length, magnitude of force per unit length between the wires, magnitude of force per unit length between the two parallel wires, between the two parallel wires is, here force per unit length is equal to, force per unit length is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi 2 times I1 I2 divided by distance of separation between the two wires. Say that distance of separation between two wires is given as d. So this is our equation number 1. Now see what is given in the example. Now the current in one of the wire is increased to 3 times. If I make I1 is equal to 3 times of I1, I1 dash is equal to 3 times of I1, and its direction is reverse. Direction of I1, current I1 dash is reverse. Direction of current I1 is what? It is reverse. And the distance between wire is doubled, means d dash is equal to 2 times d. Then the magnitude of force between them, F dash equal to, that we have to find out. Now when current in one of the wire, it is increased 3 times, that is I1 is made 3 I1, and distance of separation between the two wire is made double, means d dash is equal to 2d. Original distance is small d, new distance is 2d. Then the magnitude of new force per unit length acting between them, magnitude of force between them. So magnitude of force between two current carrying wire, it is F dash is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi into. Now see here, 2, now in place of current I will write 3 I1 into I2, and in place of this distance d I will write 2d, because current is made, one of the current is made 3 times greater, and distance of separation between two wire is made double. So that is equal to mu 0, here 3 and 2 that can be taken outside, 3 by 2. Now what is there in bracket? It is mu 0 divided by 4 pi into 2 I1 I2 divided by d, 2 I1 I2 divided by d. So if you look at this bracket is same as that of this one, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 upon d, but this is equal to force F. So the new force F dash is equal to 3 by 2 times that of the original force, 3 by 2 times that of the original force. So out of 4 options, which option is correct for this question? Look at option A. It is 3 by 2 times that of the original force between the two wires. So A is the correct option for this question.